Today we will be discuss fire hydrant system, which system is used in every industry, just like a high rising building, hospitality. If everywhere, so we have to see in fire hydrant system. Consists of some basic parts. One is reservoir tank, fire pumps, pressure release valves, flow meters, fire hydrants, uh, valves, hose nozzle, and cabinets. These are the basic parts. Okay. Then we have to discuss the fire pump station comprises of the jockey pump, electric driven pump, and standby diesel driven pump. Okay. Then the pump operation is automatic, so pressure switch contact based on the header pressure in the hydrants network. Okay, this is the hydrant network. Okay, this portion is the reservoir, water reservoir, and this system is the total building space and hydrant network. Okay, the delivery of the jockey pump and main pump is connected. This is the jockey pump and this is the main pump, and this is the DDB pump. The delivery of the jockey pumps and main pump is connected to the common delivery header. Connect to the common delivery header. The fire hydrant's line is always pressurized with water. In the event of any minor pressure drop in the system, the pressure reaches the preset pressure setting for the jockey pump. The jockey pump starts automatics to the compensate the pressure differential. Okay, the fire hydrant line is always pressurized with the water. In the event of any minor pressure drops in the system, the pressure reaches the preset pressure setting for the jockey pump. Again, I am just repeat. The jockey pump starts automatically to compensate the pressure difference. Okay. In event of opening over more than hydrants valves for fighting fire, the jockey pump will not able to make up this water loss, resulting in further pressure drops when the falling pressure reaches the preset pressure for main pump. Then what will happen? The main pump start automatically. Okay. In case of electric supply, failure standby, diesel driven pump will come into the operation. Okay, what is the uses of diesel standby pump? A fire pump have been used to set off by water and pressures to the person's fire protection system as an alternative source in absence of electrical power supply. Clear? Then we will go to the jockey pump. Jockey pump is a small connected fire sprinkler system. The sprinkler pipes, this is to be ensure that if a fire sprinkler is activated, there will be a pressure drops. Jockey pump would be activated to overcome the pressure drops. Okay, this is the diesel standby pump. This is the jockey pump. This is the jockey pump. Connect to the fire sprinkler system. Maintain pressure in the sprinkler pipe. This is to ensure that if a fire sprinkler is activated, there will be a pressure drops. Jockey pump should be activated to work on to the pressure drops. This is the diesel drive engine pump. You just see. This is the engine parts, and this is the pump parts, and this is the suction part, and this is the delivery parts, and this is the pressure gauge, and this is the butterfly valve, and this is the pressure gauge. This is the engine. This is the engine. Okay, you just see this is the diesel drive engine pump connected with pump. Engine panels. This is the fire hydrants panels. Here we have to operate the pump, jockey pump, and also boost pumps. We have to keep in selector switch in auto mode always. If we have requires in manual modes to operate the pump, jockey pump, and also hydrant pumps, then we will keep in selector switch in manual mode, then press the push button, then our jockey pump will be start. In as usual, if we will be select auto mode, then if hydrant line pressure will be drop, then automatically jockey pump will be start, and jockey pump will be maintain pressure 7 kg pressure, then automatically pump will be stop. This is the working function and operates of jockey pump and also fire start. In this video you have learned some things, then please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.